Welcome back to Likras. We are working on Parshas Toldos. Parshas Toldos has Yitzchok is almost dying, and he wants to give a bracha to his son. Now he has twin sons, Esav and Yaakov. And Yitzchok decides he wants to give the bracha, the main bracha, to his son Esav. That's Yitzchok's decision. It's not going to happen that way, but that's his decision. Now to do this, he gives some instructions to his son Esav. I want to focus on that. That's what the Maor Vashemesh is going to focus on. The instructions Yitzchak gives to Esav before he wants to give the bracha to Esav, which is actually what doesn't happen. If you're following with us inside the Chumash, we're in Bereshis. We're in chapter 27, verse 3. Yitzchak says, V'ata sana kelyecha. He tells his son Esav, take your tools, talyecha v'kashtecha. Two tools he tells him to take. Take your sword, a knife to cut. He's going to try to kill an animal, so he needs a sword. And your bow. Maybe he'll kill it with a bow and arrow. He tells him, take these two tools. Go to the field and capture something for me. So, why are the tools mentioned? Why is it so important to know what tools to take? And that Yitzchak has to say so, and the Torah has to record it. And also the word saw, that says take. Now, what else is he going to do? Obviously, he's going to take his tools. So, why is the Torah mentioning this? The main question, the elephant in the middle of the room, is why would Yitzchak want to give a blessing to Esav, who's wicked, and ignore Yaakov, who's righteous? Certainly, Yitzchak has some awareness of who his son is, who's already quite wicked, like the Gemara describes. So we have to say that what Yitzchak wants to do is he wants Esav to do tshuva. Yitzchak sees potential in his son Esav, and he feels Esav needs to do tshuva, and then if he does tshuva, he'll be fitting to receive a blessing. So that's what he's trying to encourage him to do tshuva and to become fitting for the blessing. So that's when you look at the words here. It says va'ata, it says now. And the word atah, Chazal say, means tshuva. As the Medrash Rabbah says, it means tshuva. So therefore, that's the hint to Esav. Yitzchak is saying to Esav, it's time to do tshuva. You have to change who you are. Now, sana kelecha talyecha, take your tools, your sword. What's it mean? Take your tools means take what you have in order to be fit to receive a bracha. Because everything is dependent on this. The word talyecha that's used here means something hanging. Rashi says, why is it called something hanging? It's not called a sword in the normal way. Because quite often a sword is hanging on the person. So the sword here is called something hanging. So, says the Maor Vashemesh, it means hanging, means one's action, one's sense as a person, one's definition of a person is hanging, and tshuva can help. That's what the Beinoni is called between Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippurim, tluyim. He's hanging. That's the word talyecha here, the exact same word. And that's what he says, go to the field. What's it mean, go to the field? Relate to the field of Hashem. Capture for me. What's it mean to capture? Capture for me means capture yourself to be the fitting son for me. Then you can receive the brachas. All this is hinted at in the instructions that Yitzchak gives his son Esav, that Esav should prepare to receive the blessings, tshuva. We have to remember, take our own kelim, take our own opportunities, and make ourselves worthy of being truly blessed.